Ding dong, they just think they are. Another little wannabe gangster trying to play hard. Ding dong, they just think they are. Another little wannabe gangster trying to play hard.
Welcome to Royal SwatiYogesh vlogs. So today is very fantastic weather out here. So guys, today we guys are going to Grape Embassy. So we guys are going to Grape Embassy. So we're gonna explore there. So we're gonna get what the new things are there. Last time we went like a few months before, but there was nothing more to explore. But one of my friends told me that they got something new there. So let's see what we're gonna explore today. Hey guys, we are back here. We are here with Kishoraitis family and my family and Jyoti Shinde as well. So let's see what we're gonna explore here today. Nashik is best place to live, and Grape Embassy is like 5 to 10 minutes away from my way. I live in Trimurti, and Grape Embassy is like a bit far away from my way. So if you guys are new to our channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Finally, we have arrived to our destination. We have came here to try Misal Pav. It's a traditional food of Nashik and it has a big history. Like it's been a decades. Like my foreparents, they used to say they used to have a Misal Pav 4 times in a week. It's like having a chicken 4 times in a week in Europe. It is just like that, guys. One of the best things we have observed here is the paintings. It's like a big attraction in the center. It's been a week. We haven't been out of Trimurti, so today randomly we have planned to go out of the suburb. Misal Pav was invented ages before. Because of daily wages, employees needed to survive on a single meal till dinner. They used to carry their bhakri. Bhakri is like Indian flat bread made from jowar or bajra. Since the spices coated of oil was ample and the bhakri was insufficient, they began taking pav with them. Misal made its better half. Misal pav is loved by everyone in Maharashtra, and Nashik is known for its unique preparation of the dish. We had misal pav in Grape Embassy last time was spicy, perfect tangy, once some lemon squeezed, the curry bits soaked in with the fresh pav and super spicy curry best is as great blend of texture in the mouth.
टेस्ट कशी आहे
एकदम छान.
नाना टेस्ट कशी आहे लकी कशी आहे टेस्ट ताई कशी आहे लय भारी ओहो मॅडम कशी झाली नाही कशी आहे टेस्ट एकच नंबर
Grape Embassy has been served tasty spicy misal in continent was for more than 6 decades. Since 1948, misal was mixed with crispy sev, onions and awesome homemade spices. The misal is quite spicy and sweet, which is again pretty gripping. and finally we guys have ended up here with beautiful memories. Was an awesome journey. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.